Taking a closer look on Coinbase Exchange. Coinbase Exchange holds promise, and you can get all the details about trading on it in this write-up. What is Coinbase Exchange? The fact is that it's been a few days ever since Coinbase has launched its official exchange, as a dashboard for active Bitcoin traders letting you buy and sell based on real-time pricing. It was thought about thereby putting it through its paces, and see just how usable this tool was for the average BTC fan, as well as folks who might want to add BTC to their trading regimen. In fact, to use the service you simply create an account on Coinbase, that should be noted if you have to live in one of the licensed states. Whereby now it seems Coinbase is rolling out state by state for the various regulatory reasons, that is not least being the reticence of state legislatures to weigh on Bitcoin. However, this should be remedied over the next few weeks in case you might be out of luck. When Coinbase told CoinDesk, a BTC blog came out as the company had received licenses in 14 U.S. states, as well as indications from 8 other states, including Massachusetts, with such licenses were not required, meaning that this is a legal issue rather than a technical one. How are transactions carried out? Consequently, if you're in the right state, however, sign up is a breeze, where few confirmations get the access to a screen featuring a price ledger, as well as some handsome dynamic charts, as an order tracker reminding you how much you have paid for Bitcoins, at various times, which is a boon for those looking for an investment vehicle. Thereafter, once you're in, you're probably going to want to buy and sell a little. This is where things start slowing down, and as a long-time Coinbase user, they have had an account since it launched, and usually the Bitcoin buys have been seamless and quick. Hereafter, the company is offering a separate USD wallet, essentially a way to fund BTC purchases using the exchange. That is not so quick, and being a major trader, they want the funding to be a bit smoother, whereas Coinbase has to be amazingly careful now that it's touting itself as an exchange. Initiating transfer from the bank account to Coinbase to the tune of $125, and waiting for a solid hour for it to come through, followed by 2, then 3, and as of now it hasn't still gone through. Thereby, in comparison, a standard market purchase of BTC via Coinbase takes seconds, as the frictions could turn off folks who might be a bit more of a hurry, able to trade a bit of the spare Bitcoin, but the wallet experience leaves something to be desired. However, the exchange is a work in progress, but offering enough tools for the average Bitcoin trader, while until now the granularity of Bitcoin trades has been fairly limited, and you can watch the blockchain all day long as an example, where there was nothing that offered a closed usable trading environment, and this aims to be the environment. It is here that the dashboard should be familiar to anyone who has an interest in trading, or access to a Bloomberg terminal of buying and selling Bitcoin, using limit orders, say buy $250 worth, as the price hits $200, and thereby you simply type it into the buy box. Whereas to sell you do the same, and it is to buy BTC at market price, as David Perry writes, forcing you to head back to Coinbase proper. Here, nothing particularly amazing about this, as the real-time views of the blockchain is common these days. As for Coinbase to create close, licensed space for buying and selling in a professional way, which is an important step as the money made in Bitcoin arbitrage, and suspected that this is exactly the tool necessary to make it. The bottom line: as the big names like Tim Draper are splashing out on low-priced BTC, as well as increased interest, that is partially thanks to Coinbase as in trading the cryptocurrency, expecting a brief window where humans with a little money and time can make some serious profit on Bitcoin trading, whereas given the potential of high-frequency trading, however, it is suspected that the window will be tantalizingly small. It is thereby the Coinbase exchange which is Bitcoin in a suit. While it's grown up, licensed and legal, those bears call it a fool's game. A lot of smart people are going all in on this platform, and fascinating to see just how far it goes in the next few iterations.